Dear students and parents, greetings from Excel. Hope you all are safe and happy at home. Appreciation for all the efforts you have taken to fulfill the purpose of Skill Seeker's daily dashboard. The outcome of the daily dashboard shows how much you are focused on your mission to fulfill all the tasks. Dr. Kalam says, to succeed in your mission, you must have a single-minded devotion to your goal setting. Goal setting has been a practice among our Excel students for the past 7 years. Hope you all are concentrating well on 7s before 7 in your daily dashboard. 7s before 7 is a setting of 7 goals before 7 am after thinking or planning for 7 minutes. Why is Excel much concerned about setting of goals for the day? Why setting goals are so important? Only if you set goals, you will be able to achieve it. Goal setting provides you a benchmark for determining whether you are actually succeeding. Without goals, you lack focus and direction. By setting SMART goals, we will be able to analyze ourselves whether we are moving in the right direction in a resilient way. That is, with the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties. Goals can be of short term and long term. Short-term goals or micro goals are nothing but everyday simple tasks which we need to achieve at the end of the day. And long-term goals or macro goals are the goals that you need to achieve in future which require time and planning. We expect our Excel students to set 5 micro goals and 2 long-term goals. While setting long-term goals, remember that proper planning is required to achieve it. For that, you need to break down your long-term goals into short-term tasks and fix time to achieve those tasks. This will help you stay focused and committed to achieving your goal. Some students set goals in a comfortable way. Dear students, push yourself out of your comfort zone. Feel confident that you can achieve. According to the psychologist Edwin Locke, the more difficult the goal, the greater the achievement. Always set difficult goals which are challenging. Difficult goals only can bring your real potential out and hence leads to higher performance and also improves your resilience power. Setting of difficult goals should become a habit. Creating a routine is a path to the execution of the goal. Do you know the alumni of Excel who are studying in the reputed institutions abroad are expressing their gratitude to Excel for making them understand about goal setting. They have the training for the same in the first 3 months of their initial semester. Here we have Ashmita, alumnus of Excel Central School who is doing medicine in Philippines. Let's hear from her.
Hi everyone, I'm Ashmita, alumnus of Excel Central School. I'm doing my medicine first year in Philippines. During my pre-medical course, I was taught to write difficult and SMART goals for around 3 months. We had to learn lot of theory related to this to understand the importance of goal setting in daily basis. I was feeling bit easy to do my daily task as I had experience in goal setting in school days itself. I am very thankful to Excel management for foreseeing the students' requirement in future and giving us an opportunity to do our best in wherever we go. I was able to lead my team members and demonstrate with great resilience only because of my focus and SMART goal setting. I request all my juniors to take this goal setting as an important task in your daily work so that you will be definitely successful in your life and of course you can feel the difference to be an Excel student in all means. Thank you.
While you set goals, whether short-term or long-term goals, please make sure that they are SMART goals. SMART, where S stands for specific. The goal you set should be well defined and clear. M stands for measurable. Make a detailed action plan with vital steps to reach the goal, which measures your progress. A stands for attainable. Make sure that the goal you set is possible to achieve. R stands for relevant. Your goal should be relevant to the task. And finally, T stands for time bound. State when you will get it done. Remember, goal setting is an ongoing activity. Build in reminders to keep yourself on track and make regular time slots to review your goals. Setting long-term goals are for your lifelong success. Many talented people were not successful in their lives is not because they are not determined or smart working, but because they never set long-term goals and work for the same. Dear students, setting difficult SMART goals is a skill. If you can acquire this skill in school days, you will be more organized, focused, and resilient. This is not only applicable for the students but also for the teachers and parents. By setting appropriate SMART goals, we will be able to achieve great success in our life. Thank you.